So let's check this problem here. We have this simple truss shown here, and we have a force of 90 kips. It is assigned on this point number C, and it is a downward force. And we want to calculate the deflection at point C. In order to do that, we are going to start by creating the table that we discussed in our last lecture. So this is the table that we are going to create here. We will start by members. We have member AC, BC, and AB. After that, we will put here the forces in kips at each member. It is given here that the forces at AC and BC are 90 tension and 155.7 compression. So the tension will get a positive sign, and the compression it is going to get a negative sign. So we have 90 positive here and minus 155.7 with a negative sign. After that, we are going to insert the length, and we are going to make it with inches because we have here the forces in kips, and we want the deflection to be in inches. So it is easier, instead of using the unit of foot here, which is given, and instead of inserting 40 feet and 23.1 feet or whatever, we are going to convert all of them in inches. So AC, it is going to be 480 inch. We will multiply by 12. BC is 277 and AB is 277 inch. This AB, it is a zero member, so it is given as zero force. After that, we will start calculating the first column here, which is FL over AE. This is the F value, this is the L value, and the A, it is given here, which is the cross section of the members. It is 5 inches square, and the E, it is the elastic modulus of the steel, which is given as 29,000 KSI. So all units are okay. We will just multiply 90 by 480 over 5 multiplied by 29,000. We will get the value of 0.297. We will calculate the same for BC. We'll get the same value, but it is in negative sign because the F here is in negative sign, and this is 0 because F equals 0. After that, we will calculate the F small, which is the forces inside the members, using a dummy force of 1 kips. Instead of the 90 kips here, we are going to assume that we have a force of 1 kips only. So based on this 1 kips, we will calculate the forces inside each member. We are not going to calculate it from scratch, of course. We are just going to use the forces which is given here. We know that here there is 90 and minus 155.7. This is in case of 90 kips force. So when instead of 90 we will use 1, we will just divide these values over 90 to get the internal forces in case of 1 kips force. So 90 over 90 we will get 1, and minus 155.7 over 90 we will get minus 1.73. So now we have all the parameters. We will just calculate the F small multiplied by FL over AE, which is these two values multiplied by each other. We will get here 0.297, and here 0.513, and here 0. So in order to calculate the overall deflection, we will calculate the sigma of this value, which is going to be 0.81 inch. So this is the answer, which is the third answer, 0.8 inch.